Hello, hello, Jessica and Sean.
Hello.
We are doing another one of our snack food subscriptions, and it is Love with Food. Love with Food is $9.99 a month, and you get, I believe,
Like 6 to 8 things.
6 to 8, yeah,
around there.
different little snacks and stuff like that. So
We got a duplicate this month.
yes, we did. We got a free box this month. Here's everything inside. We got a free box this month because one of my friends signed up, so they sent me a free box.
But it was the one that we didn't like.
It was, it did have quite a few things from the last box that we didn't like. So now this month's tasting theme is Eat Well, Shine Bright. Love with Food.
What's this?
And then on the back, it says earn free snacks, share your experience on the link below, reviews, happy snacking. A good day starts with good ingredients. That's why every snack in your box is made with real ingredients to keep you shining all day long. So there's that. And you're already pulling something out.
What is this?
I don't know. Let's hold it up. What does it say? Healthy Call.
Bioactive gel?
Bioactive multi-essential vitamins, minerals, and other micronutrients for optimal health.
So it's basically the fountain of youth in a little gem packet.
I guess so. Look at that.
It's weird. Dude, look at the
It's
back.
like bioactive. It sounds like a nuclear.
Yeah, look at the back. It's like immune system, heart, brain, bones, skin. So apparently this is a real deal.
Yeah.
So
and it's like a liquid.
It's like a jelly liquid. So you can straight up eat it, mix it to drink. I have some Gatorade. You can mix it in if you want.
Go ahead.
I want to try it. Like just shoot it first.
Oh, it's gonna taste yucky.
I want to try it though. You can add it to a meal, or you can blend it. Let's try this. The nutritional facts are just a bunch of vitamins and minerals.
Okay.
All right, you get those last one too.
It doesn't smell like anything. Oh, you're freaking me out. Freaking me out.
I thought it would be like purple. What is this? I can't get it in the camera.
Is it clear?
No, it's like brown.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Taste it.
I'm not adding that to my Gatorade.
You're not adding it. Okay.
I'm not adding that to my Gatorade.
180-degree snacks. Oven baked to perfection. Almond rice pops with cranberries.
We got those last month too.
I don't think we got the cranberry one, though. Here you go.
We got blueberry.
Can you open it? We should bring scissors in here. Is what
We
do.
should. It's been like, what, 3 months? And
Whoa.
we have never thought of bringing scissors.
And now I like cranberries.
See, I like cranberry juice.
Those are good. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, I like those. 60. Hold on. 60 calories per serving, per package, 1 gram of protein, and 0 cholesterol. That's really good. I'm going to order these.
Next.
Okay.
Naturally Bare Baked Crunchy Fuji and Red Apples.
Oh, wow.
Apple chips.
And what does it say?
Naturally bare baked crunchy.
Read some of the
Oh.
110 calories.
110 calories, 27 grams of carbohydrates, 21 grams of sugar, some calcium, and some iron.
Okay.
If we like these, then this pack is mine. Dried apple.
Yeah.
We've had these before.
They taste like apple.
But they were like, we had these in like homemade.
Those are really good.
Oh.
So I give that
I'll go out too.
2 thumbs up. I give these rice snacks 2 thumbs up.
This is going good so far. Alright. Sriracha lime.
Ooh.
More chickpeas.
Now fix the package. There we go. Oh no, that's still blurry.
Tap.
I know, but then it'll. There you go. Yeah, but then it.
Yeah, then it unfocuses.
Yeah. Here you go.
What am I together?
Oh no, I'm not gonna like those.
Me neither. Sriracha.
But we'll try them.
Yep, because that's the whole point of it.
Ooh, take some of those.
Pop all 6. Pop all 6.
Oh no.
That's actually really good.
No. Not for me. Spicy.
They taste like Takis.
Spicy. Spicy.
I'm liking this all so far, except for the bioactive.
I know, I got thumbs down on those.
I got that one thumbs up, not 2, but 1.
No.
You open that one.
Emily's Daily Nuts and Fruit.
I should do it naturally. Okay, yeah, I got a little spice in the back.
Yeah. Whoops. So this is like a trail mix.
Ooh.
It's good.
We're gonna have like pineapples in it?
Mm-hmm.
The taste is
Roasted salted almonds and cashews, raisins, cranberries, and cinnamon apple dices. I like that.
The taste doesn't last very long. It's like a very short taste. It's like boom and done. I still like it though. I give that a thumbs up. Is that a muffin?
I don't know.
Bobo's Oat Bites.
Bobo's? Let me see. Yeah, Bobo's. Okay.
Yeah, so I said Bobo's Oat Bites. Alright. Whatever, man.
You messed it up.
They know what they can see it. And they'll be able to see when they get the package if they do. It's gluten-free, vegan, and non-GMO.
Gluten-free, vegan, and non-GMO.
And non-GMO.
Aggressive.
But it's not keto-friendly, so... It's healthy. What's that? Iconic protein?
Grass-fed, iconic protein.
What are they like?
Save 20% on your next iconic order. Visit drinkiconic.com.
That smells like chocolate. Or there's chocolate in it. That's pretty good.
No, I mean, I don't love it. Yeah.
We're getting progressively worse.
Here's a coupon for iconic protein. And then there's a coupon for wine.
You know, so while you're eating all this healthy stuff, you can
drink some wine.
Yeah. Alright. Health Warrior Chia Bar, powered by real food.
Health Warrior Chia Bar? Okay. 100 what?
Calories.
Okay.
3 grams of sugar.
Oh, you like this, huh? What? Ugh.
Dude, it looks like
Be nice.
marmalade.
Marmalade?
Yeah, marmalade. It looks like marmalade with like chia seeds in it. And not just normal chia seeds, but like the one with the chia pets. Chia. What is this?
It's like prune.
Tastes like seaweed combined with like the very smallest...
Oh, it's acai berry.
I don't know what that is.
It's a superfood. Okay.
I've never had a superfood.
I mean, I don't think it's incredible. I mean, it's okay. I'll give it like a medium thumbs middle.
Give that thumbs down. That tastes like nothingness.
No, it does.
It tastes like cauliflower if it got even more boring. Alright, now we got Country Archer Beef Jerky Teriyaki.
This is a good box.
Yeah, I'm liking this so far. So we got 120 calories, 15 grams of protein, and one whole gram of fat. Smells like just normal beef jerky.
Ugh, smells like dog food to me.
It smells like teriyaki. Oh. Is it dog?
No, it's good. That's a big sample.
Heck yeah, it is.
No. It's teriyaki jerky. I mean, it doesn't like, it's really good, but it tastes like teriyaki jerky that I've had before.
I'm looking for like the non-GMO, like stuff that ruins the taste of normal beef jerky.
Is it, how nutritious is it?
Extremely.
What's it say?
Way too many ingredients.
Oh. Well, how many?
Oh, well, 1 gram of fat, some protein, some sodium, some cholesterol, some carbohydrates. I mean, but yeah, that's just because you got
9 grams of carbs.
It's
Okay.
it's because you gotta like smoke it, so you're gonna have the carbohydrates and the salt to keep it preserved.
It's good.
Yeah, I like it.
I give it a thumbs up. Yeah, definitely. Okay.
Maybe it's
Is it keto? It's got
No.
carbs.
it's gluten free.
Oh, okay.
But maybe this is like a cheaper alternative to like normal beef jerky.
Or a more expensive alternative. I don't know.
Well, like a bag of like normal beef jerky is like $5.
I know. I'm gonna have some of these apples. So, overall, what do you think of the box?
I need one of your thumbs for these. Give me one of your thumbs. 3 thumbs up.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it was a really good box. So there's more stuff that we like in this box than we dislike. I definitely have a couple of things in there that I want to order. I'll go on their website and see about ordering. Other than that, I think it was good. I think there's a lot of stuff in here that was really good.
Shaped like Texas.
So another good, well, last month wasn't that great, but Love with Food. Love this subscription. I definitely think trying all these new things is awesome. Are you having fun?
It's like a bird. Look at it.
You weirdo. So that's it. We will go. Thank you for hanging out with us for a little bit. We appreciate it. Don't forget I got the giveaway going on. And then if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel if you'd like. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day. We will talk to you soon. Bye.